Hi there YouTube. Do you know what this is? This is a Tibetan singing bowl. This one's cast out of bell metal. It measures roughly 10 centimeters diameter. I got this one quite cheaply off Amazon from a company called Silent Mind. They come in all shapes and sizes. I was in Glastonbury last week. There was a fantastic shop, absolutely full of singing bowls. Small ones to huge crystal ones. Really was quite an experience. If you're in Glastonbury, I'd definitely recommend a visit. Now, the singing bowls work in the same principle as running a wet finger round the edge of a wine glass. It comes with a wooden mallet. One end is covered in felt. Don't want to rack the bowl, that would just damage it. So what you do is gently rotate the felt covered end around the outside of the bowl. And as you can hear, it's starting to oscillate. Now this is caused by the metal vibrating and changing shape. Rather a lovely sound, don't you think? Now the same sound can be produced by reversing it. And if you change direction, there's a very subtle quality on the sound. Singing bowls are used for music, meditation. The frequency they emit is very similar to Gregorian chanting or even plainsong. It makes the mind focus into a meditative state. To snap out of it myself. And there you go, Tibetan Singing Bowl. I've used the desktop application Audacity to record the sound made by the singing bowl. As you can see, as it begins to oscillate, it alternates from peaks and troughs. Quite a beautiful image. Now let's have a look at the singing bowl close up. So now if I slowly start rubbing the stick covered in the felt around the rim, it takes a while to resonate. As you can hear, the bowl is starting to oscillate. The vibrations are making the metal of the bowl change shape, produces this rather haunting sound. Now I've heard that the quality of the bowl can change by adding water. This can also produce a scientific effect called Faraday waves, where the water constrained by the bowl produces these waves. Let's see if I can get that effect going. Unfortunately, I was unable to generate the effect I wanted, but have a look online, there's some pretty spectacular videos out there. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed making this video and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Okay, bye.